All right, so what I'm going to do is replace this weather strip right here. This is for the rear quarter window. And I'm just going to take a pair of these dikes here, and I'm just going to start ripping this up and doing it in a turn method here, because it is so dry rotted, none of this is actually going to slide off. So I'm literally just turning it and ripping it off in a slow method. It's got a metal strip. That's what holds it on there. I just keep turning this thing and getting it off. This is most likely the original weather stripping, and it's a good 50 years old. And that's it to take off the weather stripping. So what I'm gonna do is I just look in this, where this is, and kind of clean it up a bit with this little screwdriver. It's fairly clean. Looks like I have some old weather strips still in this top area that I'm gonna get out. So when I put my new weather stripping in, it's not interfering with it. I'm just gonna keep digging it out. Now, how we're gonna put that other weather stripping in is simple. It just slides right in. But I have a special trick that makes it very easy to get in here. After I get all this stuff out, all right, that looks good there in this weather stripping. See? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to my box of weather stripping right here. This is it. This weather stripping right here. Very simple. I think it's got a steel core. Okay, so what makes this work and slide in super easy is just WD-40. That's all you need. I like WD because it's gonna dry out, and it's not gonna leave, you know, a slick mess. Once the WD dries out, it'll be dry. So I'm going to take the WD and really just let it kind of run in the channel here. That side, and I'm just gonna put a stream. I like the non-aerosol WD-40 because it just doesn't get everywhere. So this is simple as going right here, sliding it in, and it's done. That's all there is to replacing this weather strip. Now, when this WD-40 dries out, it's gonna be sealed in there. If you really want a little bit extra protection, you can put a bead of weather strip, you know, glue or some 3M glue there, and weather strip adhesive, and help it out. But other than that, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.